Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are out in Draxhall and we're going to give you a tour of the largest commercial development taking place in Draxhall. This is also the largest commercial complex being built on the North Coast or in St. Anne. And that speaks volumes because St. Anne on the entire North Coast has mega developments taking place. This one is Booth 2, a four-story commercial complex being built in Draxhall. And Draxhall is the fastest growing area in Jamaica. So we are going to give you an update as to what's happening here and give you the comments that Mr. Holness, the Prime Minister of Jamaica, made at the opening of this, at the groundbreaking for this development. The Booth 2 complex in Draxhall St. Anne stands as a symbol of the rapid commercial expansion taking place along Jamaica's north coast. Located near Ocho Rios, the development forms part of a broader transformation of the corridor into a modern residential and business hub. The project was undertaken by Booth 2 Construction Limited and reflects growing private sector confidence in St. Anne's economic potential. The complex was designed to provide modern commercial space for retail outlets, offices, restaurants, and service-based enterprises. With its strategic location along the North Coast Highway and close proximity to expanding housing developments in Draxhall, the facility serves both residents and the steady flow of visitors traveling through the area. Features such as contemporary design, adequate parking, and accessible road frontage make it attractive to investors and tenants alike. At the opening of the complex, Prime Minister Andrew Holness highlighted the importance of developments like Booth 2 in driving inclusive economic growth. He noted that the government's infrastructure investments, particularly highway upgrades and improved utilities, are intended to create an environment where private developers can confidently invest. According to the Prime Minister, projects such as Booth 2 demonstrate how strategic public infrastructure spending can stimulate private enterprises and job creation. Mr. Holness also emphasized that commercial developments outside of Kingston are essential to balance national growth. By encouraging business expansion in parishes like St. Anne, the government aims to reduce urban congestion in the capital while creating economic opportunities closer to where people live. He pointed out that modern commercial centers not only generate employment during construction and operation, but also strengthen community development by improving access to goods and services. Alright guys, that's the end of the update. So what we're looking at now is the original Booth complex. Very successful development, and they're actually going to build a bridge so people can walk from one complex to another across that busy road. That road is the Northern Coastal Highway. Alright guys, let us know what you think. Leave your comments in the section below. Have a good day.